New Year's resolution. Let's get started. Achieve. Achieve. Examples. I've set several career goals and target to achieve them within 5 years. I've set several career goals and target to achieve them within 5 years. I should spend my money wisely. If not, I cannot achieve the objective of buying my dream house. I should spend my money wisely. If not, I cannot achieve the objective of buying my dream house. Attempt. Attempt. Examples. I attempt to overcome the fear when playing indoor skydiving. I attempt to overcome the fear when playing indoor skydiving. After practicing the violin every day, she attempts to break her personal record in the coming competition. After practicing the violin every day, she attempts to break her personal record in the coming competition. Attitude. Attitude. Examples. I'll try to develop a more positive attitude by smiling and enjoying life. I'll try to develop a more positive attitude by smiling and enjoying life. If I can build a more positive attitude, it can help lower the rate of depression. If I can build a more positive attitude, it can help lower the rate of depression. Commitment. Commitment. Examples. I've made a commitment to allocate 2 hours per week for volunteering. I've made a commitment to allocate 2 hours per week for volunteering. My commitment to visit elderly homes is my New Year's resolution. My commitment to visit elderly homes is my New Year's resolution. Determination. Determination. Examples. To be eligible for the scholarship, I've spent 3 years of hard work, preparation, and determination. To be eligible for the scholarship, I've spent 3 years of hard work, preparation, and determination. I admire my sister's determination to contribute selflessly. I admire my sister's determination to contribute selflessly. Evaluate. Evaluate. Examples. I've joined the fitness program to lose 10 kilograms within 6 months. The coach will evaluate my result regularly. I've joined the fitness program to lose 10 kilograms within 6 months. The coach will evaluate my result regularly. After setting goals, we should evaluate the performance at a designated period and make necessary improvement. After setting goals, we should evaluate the performance at a designated period and make necessary improvement. Negative. Negative. Examples. To avoid negative impact of my studies, I'll allocate less time in playing online games. To avoid negative impact of my studies, I'll allocate less time in playing online games. I'll quit sleeping late at night because it poses negative impact of my mental health. I'll quit sleeping late at night because it poses negative impact of my mental health. Obligation. Obligation. Examples. I've too many obligations and target to leave some rooms for my family by prioritizing the tasks. I've too many obligations and target to leave some rooms for my family by prioritizing the tasks. It's my obligation to provide professional and timely service owing to the signed contract. It's my obligation to provide professional and timely service owing to the signed contract. Pursue. Pursue. Examples. After completing high school, I would like to pursue studies overseas and gain independence. After completing high school, I would like to pursue studies overseas and gain independence. I choose to travel and pursue working holiday when I'm still young. I choose to travel and pursue working holiday when I'm still young. Reachable. Reachable. Examples. Losing 20 kilograms is my reachable goal in the coming year. Losing 20 kilograms is my reachable goal in the coming year. I'll adjust my savings plan and cutting my expenses by 10% should be a reachable goal. I'll adjust my savings plan and cutting my expenses by 10% should be a reachable goal. Skill. Skill. Examples. I'll learn new skill of writing instruction for artificial intelligent robot by watching YouTube videos. I'll learn new skill of writing instruction for artificial intelligent robot by watching YouTube videos. To be more competent in the employment market, I'll apply for the certification of my profession based on my accumulated skills. To be more competent in the employment market, I'll apply for the certification of my profession based on my accumulated skills. Social. Social. Examples. I plan to join more events to expand my social network in the coming year. I plan to join more events to expand my social network in the coming year. Growing my professional social network by connecting to the industry leaders is my top priority. Growing my professional social network by connecting to the industry leaders is my top priority. Specific. Specific. Examples. We should set specific goal because it can help guiding us the clear direction. We should set specific goal because it can help guiding us the clear direction. To succeed in meeting the sales target, I should be more specific in identifying the potential clients. To succeed in meeting the sales target, I should be more specific in identifying the potential clients. Strive. Strive. Examples. To eat healthier, I strive to reduce the intake of fat by choosing lower fat products. To eat healthier, I strive to reduce the intake of fat by choosing lower fat products. To strive for a balance between health and work, I've decided to make a change of my job. To strive for a balance between health and work, I've decided to make a change of my job. Ultimate. Ultimate. Examples. My ultimate goal is so simple. I would like to make small improvements every day. My ultimate goal is so simple. I would like to make small improvements every day. Having confidence in speaking fluent English is my ultimate goal within the year. Having confidence in speaking fluent English is my ultimate goal within the year.